Hello, today I'm going to show you the unboxing of the Hornby Falcon in LNER livery, and start. First of all, cover chips. Never use them, they're rubbish. So chuck them aside. And the usual instructions. Where else to put the oil, motor brakes, all the usual stuff. Right, now it's to the actual logo itself. Because of this protective screen, it has sellotape on it, but I've already cut it. Just save on time. And it's a lovely blue, I would just say. And there we are. The logo out. I don't know if you can see that. A lovely falcon. Got some weight on her, which is good. All of the little, like, forgotten the names now, can't remember off the top of my head, but I probably will later. And that's it, her. Trying to get the tender out. Squeeze that out. And here's the tender. Very nice. Now, I'm thinking this is the same tender as my Flying Scotsman, I'm thinking. But lovely buffers, sprung. And it is, in fact, a railroad model. And that's the tender. So you can get that all in. Yeah. Now you can notice probably at the front hasn't got cup pins. That's to help with the aerodynamics. Plus, you don't have a car or a carriage in front of a streamlined train, and there would be no point of streamlining. So there's that. Whole train, lovely. Right, let's go and put on the track. Alright, here we are at the tracks. Time to put them on. Oh, there's the Falcon. Sorry about that. And here's the Flying Scotsman tender. So that's the Flying Scotsman. Everything's pretty much the same on both. But when you look at the coal, the Falcon has got this strip across, but the Flying Scotsman doesn't. So there, that is the only difference apart from the paint job. So to get rid of the Scotsman tender, put the Falcon on. There we go. Time to give her a little bit of juice. Look at that. Running rings around me. Right, I'm going to put some weight on her, so slow her down. There we go. And let's get some garages for her. There we go, got some carriages up for her. Move this back. Now I'm going to give you what it would look like if you were a small boy or a small girl, or looking person. Right up close to the track. How beautiful was that? Now I'll see you next time, and bye.
Okay, the final review thoughts is it's a good train. The 10 out of 10 in packaging. It would, I don't know, I'd give that about maybe a 7 out of 10, mainly because the polystyrene, if they changed it to some sort of foam, like soft, you'd find in a good old chair, that would make it a lot better, and it would possibly get a 10 out of 10. Locomotive, I'd give that about a 9, because it's not the best, like, but then again, I can't, that's just me personally, but I haven't got the newest stuff. Like, my controllers are from about when I was a kid, so yeah, it still works, but that's really a review of the power system I got, and that still works, so that's right. But it's not the best quality. There could have been some extra details just put in, even though it's not super detailed. They could have spent a little bit more time on, this is another thing, where the front wheels turn, it's actually made grooves in the body, which are quite noticeable, and that's really the bad thing, and the fact that they didn't put a little bit extra detail, or even stuff that I could add. That was about it. Colour scheme, good. It's what it was, so you can't really argue with that. It's what you paid for. Because I have no idea how much I paid for it. Let's see if I can find. Because this was this footage, well, the footage before, it was something like 3 years ago, so and I'm actually doing this on my webcam because I don't have a charger for my camera. So if someone has a spare charger that would like to donate, please feel free. For Samsung, that one, yeah, because I do not have one. I do not know what happened to it. But overall, I'll give it about an 8 out of 10. All over. Run, it was good. Nothing bad there. This is the only working big loco that I have. My Flying Scotsman motor burnt out. My Harry Potter set, that went long gone. Whenever I run it, well, it still goes, but whenever I run it, smoke. And it sets off the smoke alarm, which is not good. Yeah, overall I'd give it an 8 out of 10. To me, it's quite good packaging, and it is DCC ready, so I am hoping to get a DCC controller soon. Altogether, it's alright. Just let you have another look at it. And this is a bad idea. Right. There we are. Bring it out a bit. That's it. I'll see if I can get some details that I couldn't get to you in the original video. Got it. Inside the tender. Not tender. Like working house. I think that's what they called it. I don't know. See if I can some extra attachments at the front, that side. If I put my nail under it, you can see them. Coupling. Well, what would couplings be? The strip on top. Sprung buffers, of course, because I said that. And that's about it. So if you're not subscribed to me, please do. I'm always asking for subscribers. And that's pretty much it from me. So peace out.